So often when I make these videos, I get comments about how people have to eat meat because there are certain nutrients in animal products that can only be supplied by animal products, and those nutrients, whatever they may be, are not found in plants. And I just want to let you guys know for absolute certain that there is not one single nutrient in animal products that can't be better supplied by plants. In fact, most people who are eating animal products get 70% of their calories from animal products and oil, and they're the ones who actually need to take vitamin and mineral supplements, because they're the ones that are actually malnourished. They're overfed but undernourished, while vegans are actually the only group that has normal BMI and are much healthier on the whole. Have a great day.